Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So I've got a line here, y equals 2x plus 1. So the intercept is 1 and the gradient is 2. And then I've got another line, this line here, where the intercept is 9 and the gradient is -1. So it's going downhill. Well, find this location here, the intersection of the two. So find this location. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, you've got this thing here representing the red line. You've got this thing here representing the purple line. At the point at which the two cross, this height here for the purple line will be the same as the height for the red line. So to find this location, set this to be the same as this. So you're trying to find a value of x. You're trying to find this value of x here, where the height for the red line would be the same as the height for the purple line, which is going to be the same height. So to do this, you would set this to be the same as this. So hang on, 9 take away 9 take away x, that's this thing here, and then equals this thing here, so that would be 2x plus 1. So this x here, whatever it may be, it represents this location here. You're trying to find a value of x where the height of the red line would be the same as the height of the purple line. So your eyes should zoom into this x here. You've got a 2x here and a -x here. In your mind, add 1x to both sides. So adding 1x to both sides, that will then give you this. And then somehow you want to get x on its own. So kill off the 1. So in your mind, take away 1 from both sides. That will then give you this, 3x, and then divide both sides by 3. So that will then give you this. So this location here is 8 over 3. But so the coordinates here would be 8 over 3 across. So that would be 8 over 3, comma, and if you want to know this height here, you would put this 8 over 3 into here, into this x here, or you can put it into here. Because if you put this number into the x here, it will jump to the red line. It will jump to the red line, which would be here. If you put this into here, it will jump to the purple line, which will be the same place. So select the easier of the two here. It's up to you. I'm going to select this one here. So put this into here. So that will be 2 times 8 over 3. Because if you put this into here, you've got to times this 2 here. And then you've got to add 1. So this gets multiplied to the top. So that will be 16 over 3. And then you've got to add 1. And then you've got to get this, add this. So turn this 1 into a fraction. And then times top and bottom here by 3. So that would be 3 times 1 would be 3. 3 times 1 here would be 3. So really, that thing there would be 3 over 3. Don't forget, 3 over 3 is the same as 1. Well, anyway, the two denominators are the same. You can start to add the two fractions. That would be this plus this. That would be 19. And remember, when you add, the denominator stays the same. So it would be 3. So this height here would be 19 over 3. So the y coordinates here would be 19 over 3. So that's the location here. Okay. So next question. I've got another line here. This line here is given by this, and the purple line here is given by this. So the first question is find this location here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, if you want to know where the two lines cross, set this to be the same as this. So hang on. So set this. So this will be 10 minus 2. Remember, this x gets multiplied to the top. So I'm just going to write it as 2x over 5 equals this thing here. So that will be x minus 4. So now you've got 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you've got 2 layers. This layer here, 1, 2. You've got a fraction here. You've got 2 layers. Get everything onto 1 layer. So you've got 4 blocks. Multiply everything by 5. Just get everything onto 1 layer. So this times 5 will be 50. This times 5 will be, well, this whole block here times 5, it would be 2x. This times 5, it would be 5x. This times 5, it would be 20. So now your eyes are zooming to the x. You've got 2x here, 5x here. This is -2. So in your mind, add 2x to both sides. So that will then give you 50, and this will be 7x. This will be -20. So now your eyes are zooming to this x here. You need to kill off this thing here. In your mind, add 20. So that would be 70. Oops, hang on. That would be 70, and then this will be 7x. Because we were here earlier, you've got to add 20 to both sides. That will then give you this. So now divide both sides by 7. So that will be 10. 70 divided by 7 is 10. So this location here would be 10. This location here would be 10. And if you want to know how high up it is, put it into the easier of the two, either this one or this one. If you put it into the red one, it will jump to the red line, which will be here. If you put 10 into the purple line, it will jump to the purple line, which will be the same place. So select the easier of the two. Select this one. So put 10 into here. So 10 take away 4, it will jump to 6. So this thing here will be 6. Okay, so the coordinates here will be 10 across, comma, 6 up. Okay, 6 up. So this is your answer here. So the next question is, find this location here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so this location here, your eye should automatically zoom into this bit here. Because if you look at the purple line, the intercept is -4. So the coordinates here will be 0, -4. Okay, so next question here. Find this location here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, well, your eye should zoom into this equation here, and this is your intercept. So this point here will be 0, 10 up. So it will be this. Okay, so next question, find this location here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so we are talking about the purple line, so you should be looking at this equation as opposed to this one here. So you want to find out this point, so look at this equation here. At this point here, you know the y value. You know the y value at this point would be 0. So put 0 into this y here. So it would be 0 equals x minus 4. So in your mind, add 4 to both sides. So this location here is actually 4. Okay, so the location would be 4 across, comma, the height would be 0. So it would be 0. So this is your location. Okay.